I've had several questions about my morning routine, what I do, when I do it, and how long it takes. So I thought I would show you. And the key word here is routine. This is what I do every morning. Well, with the exception of my yoga. I don't do yoga on Sundays, and sometimes I'll skip Saturdays just to give my body a break. But the rest of the things that I'll be showing you is what I do every day. This video is brought to you by Aprondiva. Pretty and practical, we believe that an apron can be a homemaker's best accessory. Visit us at www.aprondiva.com. I start my day by hitting the mat. Some days, the only thing I do all day that is specifically for me is the time I spend on the yoga mat. And I do it first thing in the morning because I know myself and I know that life can happen. So if I don't do it first thing in the morning, sometimes I don't get back to it. So I get up, get dressed, turn on my iPad, and pull up a session of Yoga with Adriene. I practice for about 30 minutes, then I'm ready to get my day started. I usually start with laundry. I do at least one load a day, Monday through Friday. On this day, I've got a bunch of fishing gear to wash, so I make sure to check the pockets and check for stains. To pre-treat, I use a solution of 1 part Dawn, 1 part vinegar, and 1 part water. I give the garment a good scrub. Then I drop it in the wash. My laundry pantry is in my kitchen, so since I'm already downstairs, I go ahead and then I unload the dishwasher. If I overlook this simple task, the dirty dishes end up in the sink, and that's just more work for me to do. Once the dishwasher is unloaded and the clean dishes are put away, I start my daily swish and swipe, which includes wiping the bathroom mirror, wiping out the sink, and swishing the toilet. I have 3 bathrooms and we use all 3 of them, so I do this task daily. It only takes about 5 minutes per bathroom, so in less than 20 minutes I get all my bathrooms clean. And please note, sweeping and mopping the floor is not a part of the daily swish and swipe. I do that on Mondays when I'm doing my weekly home blessing, or I sweep the kitchen floor every night, so the downstairs bathroom is not far from the kitchen, so I'll go ahead and I'll sweep that hallway, sweep that bathroom, and then sweep the kitchen floor. But that's not a part of my morning routine. That's another routine, and I'll show that later. And in case you're wondering, I have a set of white cleaning cloths that I use for the bathroom. They're just inexpensive washcloths. They work out very well. They're easy to clean and sanitize. And yes, I use a different cloth for each bathroom. By the time I get this done, my husband is up so I can make the bed. Now, if he's in the room when I'm making the bed, he will help. But he prefers not to be on camera. So whenever I'm filming, he makes himself scarce. So that's why you don't see him today. And then after I get the bed made, I take 2 or 3 minutes to tidy up the bedroom. Once the bed is made, I am ready for coffee, but I need to water my garden first because again, it's one of those things, if I don't get it done first thing in the morning, I don't get back to it. So I water the garden first and then I settle down for coffee. Just doing these simple things in this order helps me to keep my home neat. It takes less than 2 hours, so by 9 or 9:30, I'm ready to sit down for breakfast. If I've got any deep cleaning or zone work to do, that happens after breakfast. And that's also a time that I will take the laundry out of the wash and transfer it to the dryer. But that's another part of my daily routine, so be on the lookout for that video. I encourage you to put together a morning routine that works for you. Now, most morning routines, most effective morning routines includes washing the dishes, making the bed, starting a load of laundry every day, and then wiping out the bathroom sink. But don't forget self-care. You need to get up 30 to 45 minutes before your family so that you can take care of you. So if you want to spend time with your Bible, in prayer, meditating, or journaling, then you need to get up 30 to 45 minutes before your family so you can take care of your needs and then be prepared to handle what's coming for the rest of the day. For more homemaking and homekeeping inspiration, sign up for my newsletter. And if you hate to do laundry, sign up for my laundry masterclass so that you can be the first to know when my class is ready to go. In the meantime, watch this video next.